Hey guys, Jason Catrone here.
Shelby Rowland.
We're
Sorry.
Vocal Lab Collective. Sorry to wake you from your nap, Shelby.
Took you by surprise there. I wasn't napping. I was thinking about Carlos's cats.
Oh. Carlos has got really cute little cats.
Cute's a strong word.
Shelby's not a cat person. I'm indifferent, and Carlos loves them. So it's
He used to hate them. Makes me respect him more.
It's the three stages of kitty cat.
He kind of fell off the wagon, and because of his wife, he now loves cats. Yeah. I was talking to my children the other day who know we're dog people, we have a dog, and they know that if JoJo is our dog's name, once she inevitably finishes her journey on the circle of life, we're probably going to be a pet-free family for a while, because honestly, just like traveling and having an animal, it's hard.
It's hard.
And so they're like, we get a cat. And I'm like, literally, I would have to die. And probably your dad too, because he's the same way, before you got a cat. Because we're just not going to let a cat in the house. But I was like, if somebody forced me at gunpoint to own a cat, I would probably pick a hairless cat.
Oh.
They're so ugly that I think they're funny. And they wouldn't shed.
They are. Poppy has a hairless cat.
Is it a nice cat?
Yeah, it's really nice. It's got a really cool personality.
I wonder if hairless cats are generally nicer than other cats. Carlos?
I don't know.
Can you get a hairless cat and tell us?
They wear clothes a lot because they get cold. They have to have sweaters and stuff.
How do we get to the point in like cat genetic mutations
I don't know, but
we
we're
have
here.
Hairless cats now?
We're here.
Anyway.
Oh, I think maybe they were first.
Okay.
Maybe they were hairless and they grew.
But aren't they some sort of a derivative from like a cheetah or lion? Y'all, I don't know.
I don't know. We're getting
I'm
too deep here.
I'm
the
not
people aren't here for
I don't know.
the depth of this conversation as
But
we
now you know
spiral.
I don't like cats.
Hey, but you know what we do like? When you hit that subscribe button right over there on
Sure
your
do.
device of choice. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Also, follow us over to Patreon. And while you're on all the sites that we have, you might as well check out some podcast action if you want to go deeper into the music space and hear some really cool stories about artistry and really amazing guests of people who are movers and shakers in the music business. You should tune in.
I'm really excited about our upcoming episodes of the podcast.
Yeah,
They're
we've
going
got
to be
some
real good.
And if you just want to laugh your, as you said, arse is off a little bit.
Bleep.
For the slang, you should watch some sidewalk karaoke because that is real good, that is real fun, and that is free entertainment right there for your eyes
funny.
only. Yeah. Hey, what do we got today? It's gonna be good.
We've got KATRINA Velarde.
We love KATRINA around here.
She's fabulous.
Fantastic singer. One of my favorite songs. I've not heard her sing it, but
It's a great song.
it's a great song.
From Mulan, the Disney movie.
Yes.
Reflection, originally sung by Christina Aguilera, right?
Oh, you're right.
I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm right. I definitely said
No,
that
you're
very
right.
confidently.
She
and I
did.
was like,
She did.
wait,
She
right?
was the original singer.
Yeah.
Because I remember being shocked knowing that later. Like I knew when it happened, I guess, but like in the past few years saw that again. And I was like, oh, that's actually a song she didn't go crazy on.
Right. She
So
reined
it's
it in
like-
for Disney. All right, let's
and
see what KATRINA
Let's see what
does.
KATRINA's got. It's going to be real good. I'm nervous.
You're nervous.
Not really. I usually cry at this song.
Aw, now I'm gonna watch you. If Carlos's cat can cry,
So can I.
so can you. You have short hair.
I like it.
But you never know me every day. It's as if I play a part. Now I see if I wear a mask, I can fool the world, but I cannot fool my heart.
Ooh, that had Mariah Carey vibes.
Ooh, yeah.
It's that girl I see staring straight back at me. When will my reflection show who I am inside?
That breathy layer over it all is just
With a lot of control.
golden.
Yeah.
In a world where I have to hide my heart. What I believe in, but somehow I will show the world what's inside my heart.
Show him, girl.
And be loved for who I am.
That richness in the low end.
Open and full, tightening on that who.
Ooh, I liked that run into that.
I see staring straight back at me. Why is my reflection
chills. Hey, key change. The flow into that key change was so good.
And unexpected.
Yeah.
Another.
Does the original have this many key changes?
I don't think so.
Okay. Okay. Did you cry?
A little bit. I mean, that's so dang good.
I mean,
That
really
is
beautiful.
So good. I don't have to say anything.
Okay, I
Other
will.
than that,
I'll talk while he composes himself.
that was so good.
Yeah, it was fabulous. I knew that there were a few key changes like in the verse of that song. There's one that's like straight out of the gate in the verse 1. It's such an interesting composition overall, but the like 3 key changes that just kept on happening. I was like, come on. I love the key change. I feel like we need to bring it back as a culture in pop music.
For sure. Can we get T-shirts? We
Bring
should put
back
that
the
on
key
our.
change,
We
the
should put that on
modulation.
our like mugs.
Oh, that's a good
Vocal
one.
Lab, bring back the key change. That's good.
Nobody else steal that. Okay?
Yeah, we can bleep that out.
Patent pending.
We got
patent
it.
pending.
We got it.
Literally
What a voice.
a holy golden cow on that performance. Holy golden cow. That was fantastic beyond fantastic. I mean, yeah. That might be my favorite version I've ever heard anyone sing that song. This blew me away. It's gonna blow you away.
Okay.
And Carlos. I'm sitting here, the credits are on the screen. It says Reflection, sung by KATRINA VELARDE, written by,
Matthew Wilder and
that's my friend's dad, Grayson.
Lord have mercy.
You've met Grayson.
I
my
gotta
closest
go.
friend here in one of my closest
I
friends
gotta
in
go.
Nashville. I never knew his dad wrote this song.
Jason, are you surprised though?
I mean, yeah. It's one of my favorite songs that makes me cry, and his dad wrote it.
Well, you should call him up and tell him.
I'm going to actually tonight.
I'm not surprised because Jason knows all sorts of very interesting and what is the word, Carlos? Well-to-do people. I don't know. He's always like sending us texts that say, "You'll die at who I just met." I'm like, I probably will. What prime minister did you meet today? What El Presidente was it?
Depends on the day.
Anyway.
Yeah, that's
so
crazy.
That's your friend's dad.
never knew that he wrote that. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, super cool.
I act all, peeved, but I think it's actually cool.
Hey, you're learning a lot about me, a lot about my tears, about my joys.
And I, his peasant friend.
Whatever. Hey, until next time, I'm Jason Catrone,
I'm Shelby Rollins.
and we are Vocal Lab Collective.